Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do my nightly routine. So it's going to be clean with me after dark. I'll put some relaxing music on to get your motivation. My motivation right now is going to be making a cup of coffee to get me into action. Some people may think it's weird to be drinking coffee so late at night. It's never been an issue for me. I just kind of get a burst of energy, but I definitely can go to sleep at night. So I'll give you a little preview. This is just our normal everyday after dinner madness. This is what it looks like. We usually make our dinner, have our dinner, and we kind of wait to clean up at the end after Sammy's in bed, bathed. It's just easier for us because we have such a limited time at night to do those things. So here is what the living room looks like after he has played just for a couple hours. This is what it looks like. So this one I'm going to be tackling tonight, and I hope you enjoy. One more thing, some of you have maybe new to the channel, have not seen this system. I have the Blue organizational system that really helps me out. I get overwhelmed very easily by a whole bunch of clutter, so I have organized it. The first bin says upstairs, the middle bin is downstairs, and the bottom bin is miscellaneous. So instead of me having to run all over the place to put things away, I put it in the bins, and then I take the bins to the appropriate room. So this has really helped me with my feeling overwhelmed and anxiety.
Standing at the door, I'm on the way. A million things I guess that I should say, but I am done. Yeah, I am done. Letting go of all my heavy load. I waited for the moment to unfold. Nobody's gonna make me feel I'm going down. Oh, I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. I stand up and take it as I go. I'm doing alright, I'm doing okay. Stronger than ever. Baby, it's not a shade of mine. All in all, I'm doing fine. Doing alright, I'm doing okay. Setting up a goal to grow from heart. It's all about to master who we are.
I do have a dishwasher, but I have found that is very calming and relaxing for me to wash dishes by hand. I also think it's faster, so I can put them away. I don't do it every night, just when there's a little bit of dishes I do it. So I find it to be relaxing.
It's not a shade of mine. All in all, I'm doing fine. Doing alright, I'm doing okay. I'm gonna hold the line, yeah.
One other thing I do, and that's why I wash up my sinks before I wash my dishes, but when I do my utensils, I put scalding hot water on them, and then I fold them up to dry and put them to the side and then put them away later. But I'm a bit of a germ freak, so I like scalding hot water. And then of course when the dishes are done, I give the sinks another quick cleaning and kind of wipe down all the wetness and put everything back together.
Too many stories, yeah, I've heard them all. So many big dreams got me feeling so small. But I found a thing, the most beautiful thing. Tell me, what are you waiting for?
Now Now for the floors, I have to say that on my everyday basis, I use my Swiffer. I think it's amazing. It picks up crumbs well, and it picks up all the other stuff that, you know, a normal vacuum cleaner might not pick up. So I love my Swiffer. I use it every night.
Give me a moment, a minute goes by. Whatever happened, a hello then goodbye. So how can you know? Can you really be sure? Tell me, what are you waiting for?
As for the living room, I'm gonna straighten, I'm gonna sort things in my bin, and I'm just gonna do a very quick tidy and Swiffer and vacuum. Sorry for the lighting. I am working on my overhead lighting to be brighter, but this is going to be just a quick deal. I'm almost done for the night, so I can rest and wake up to a nice clean house.
With every second I know we build our future, not our past. That's how the story will go. So listen up, every now, every then. Tell me, come a time and again. Let me be the one. Can you hear what I say? Listen up, every now, every then. Tell me, come a time and again. Let me be the one. I'm gonna show you.
Here's what it looks like afterwards. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed doing it. If you like my channel, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe if you haven't. If you are new to my channel and you have subscribed, thank you, thank you. I really appreciate it. I cannot wait to make more of these videos, and I would love to support each other on this fun world of YouTube. Thanks again, and have a great night.
Lost again, going back